Hi, good day everyone. Uh, this is our paper. The title is Text Encryption Using P. Arnold Chart Map and Modulus Operation. Okay, let me introduce myself. This is the first author is Drosalik Ignatius Moses Setiadi, and then me is Eko Hari Rahmawanto, and then the third one is Rahmawati Sulfinerum, and then the last one is MD Kamruzaman Sarker. This is the point of introduction. Encrypted data security completely relies on the two important aspects, namely the confidentiality of keys and the strength of the cryptographic algorithm. Then the Chaos method is one of the most widely used encrypted method in 2D image or matrix. Then the third one is the Chaos method is an encryption method that the combine permutation and diffusion and confusion technique. One of the popular Chaos method used in Arnold chart map, or we can call ACM. And then the last one is some research using ACM on 1D media has been carried out in the voice data in 6 and the text in 7. This is our purpose method. The first one is purpose encryption approach. In the left one is plain text, and then convert into ASCII number, and then got the modulus encryption, and then P. Arnold chart map encryption. And then the right one is K. K also same with the left one, convert to ASCII number, and then got the K2 and K1. The K2 used to modulus encryption, and then the K1 used to P. Arnold chart map encryption. Then after that, do the convert of ASCII character, and then got the ciphertext. Then the second one is purpose decryption approach. In the left one is ciphertext, and then convert it into ASCII number, and then do the P. Arnold chart map encryption, and then do modulus encryption. Then the right one is K, convert into ASCII number, and then got the K1 and K2. K1 also same, do the encryption in P. Arnold chart map, and then K2 used to K2 modulus encryption. Then got the convert to ASCII number, to ASCII character, and then got the plain text. This is our implementation. At this stage, the word consisting of a char, namely Tunisian, is encrypted using keyword polk as a sample of the implementation of the test methods. When the word Tunisian is converted to ASCII number, it will produce an array, something like that. Then polk is processed and produce 1 equal 7, while 2 equal something like that. With the X2 results is the first stage encryption C1 equal to this array. Furthermore, C1 is converted into the binary matrix and encryption using EQ to produce C2. This is encryption result of the binary ACM. This is the 44 equal to 00101 100 to 80 equal to 0101 0000. Then this is the binary matrix. 2 is the converted to ASCII character P, and this is the character. This is our results. In the first row, using bit error ratio, and then the last row is using Avalanche effect, or we can call AE. And This is the plain text computer, K is password, modify plain text is computers, and then the equivalent fx got in methods 9 got the 28.3x%. This is the different bit is 21, and then the method 8 1.39%, different bit is only 1, and then the purpose method is 52.78%, and then the different bit is 38. This is comparative data. In table 5, character modification in the middle plain text, and then this table 6 is in the end plain text. This one, the table 5 is competitors. We can modify in middle plain text. The table 6 is end plain text, computers C, and then the table 7 in the front key, not in plain text but in key, password, so modify is password, and then the modify in the middle in table 8, middle key, password into passwords. And then the table 6 is table 9, character modify in the NK, passwords into passwords W. Okay. This result is it appears that the purpose method has a higher security with a slight modification to various parts of the password and plain text. The resulting AE is a quite stable if thought that the text is very short. In contrast to the previous methods which has an effective AE value only K modification, while in research 9 is strong on plain text modification, the purpose method has an average advantage over various modification when compared to the previous method. Then the conclusion is the Chotek method is generally widely used in image encryption because it's suitable for use in two-dimension matrix. The research suggests in adopting the chaos method and combining it with the modulus operation to encrypt text safety and flexibility. This method suggests in option in significant increase in entropy value, which is about 3.5 of the plain text entropy. The results of plain effect is also close to ideal for various minor modification to the password or plain text. In addition, the BER value is greater than previous research, proving that the method is safer than the previous method. Thank you very much for your attention. Anyone question, please?